And we should be clear, we haven't really talked about this, but both of these ridiculous torrential downpours and flooding and the preceding drought, both the fault of global warming.
Thank you for bringing that up. Thank you.
We have not talked about it.
Thank you.
I mean, the drought, which was blamed on global warming incessantly, now all the rain is also being blamed on global warming.
As we've always said, no matter what happens.
We're officially way out of that drought.
We're
way out of that drought. We started digging our way out of that drought about 3 years ago, but that's definitely over. I was up in the farm country, up in Idaho this last weekend, and it was a sloppy mess up there. And they had just 5 weeks ago, they had a fast for rain because they were in a drought, and it started raining 5 weeks ago.
That's interesting.
Didn't stop.
Because if Rick Perry announces that he's running for president, which is expected, of course, he, in 2012, I think it was, or 2011, was praying for rain here. Will he get blamed for the success of the rain and the flooding?
That we started ending that drought with that fast. Do you remember that?
I do remember that. Yeah.
And
he was mocked for it anyway.
He was mocked for it, and he went ahead and did it. And that was the beginning of the end of the drought. I mean, we started having rain right after that. And this state was a desert